MioCreate, an AI-powered face swap app, claimed to make this a reality, but does it live up to the hype? In this review, I will dive deep into its features, ease of use, and overall performance to determine if MioCreate is the ultimate tools for your face swapping adventure. So let's get started. So first thing to get note is, what is MioCreate? MioCreate is an innovative AI face swap app that allows you to create creative face swap photos, and whether you want to experiment with different look, create anonymous nemesis, or swap face with friends and family for fun, MioCreate provide a simple and intuitive platform for that. With its powerful AI algorithm, MioCreate can accurately detect and replace face in your image and videos, resulting in realistic and stimulus face swap photos. From family swap photos to wide and imaginative creation, MioCreate opens up a world of possibilities for virtual content. So talking about the top features, so MioCreate cutting-edge features redefine what's possible with face swapping and image manipulation, offering a powerful suite of AI tools that empowers users to unleash their creativity and transform their virtual. So here are the couple of list of features that. So here are the list of tools that can be used to transform your content. We have the face swapping features, which helps your content make it more easier. Motive face swap, together with the attractiveness text and dance generator with image combiner. And here are the key features about the pricing plan. We have the different type of pricing plan on this on this website. We have the free trial, which is for 10 credit. We have the monthly trial, which is for 80 credit. They have a year, which is about 350 credits with a yearly plan of 1000 credits, and each of these plans has their own price range. So if you want more information about the pricing, you can just quickly refer back to the website to get more about the features that have been allocated for each pricing plan. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website. Thank you.